I've done a lot of trade shows over the past year. This one's got the strongest return on investment already, just being here for one day. Just a really great chance to meet people, and there's so many people looking to spend.
This is our first time being in a booth, so it's been a great learning experience, meeting a lot of people, walking around, seeing all the different exhibitors.
Chicago Build does a great job of bringing commercial contractors and residential contractors together of all sizes.
Anybody who's into the renovating or into building, any developers, this is great for them. They get to see a lot of different options.
Here today at the show, just trying to get into the US market, looking for distributors and hoping for success in the US market.
It's a great place for us to meet new folks, build customers, meet prospects, and also swim upstream to meet some of the more commercial side of the business and generate business there as well.
So many things are being built, so much is being innovated upon, and everyone's just really excited to learn.
One of my favorite things about here at Chicago Build is that you're able to really connect and interact with the individuals, understand what their needs are, and then just go ahead and provide them a great service.
Not only do we meet prospects here, but it's a great place for partnerships as well.
There's a great vibe, as we like to say in our industry. A lot of great people walking around, partnering and networking here has been a great experience.